Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that point out or demonstrate something. But in using them, we need to be sure our reader knows what we want them to see. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and the 4 demonstrative pronouns in English are this, that, these, and those. In person, it's easy to see how they point things out. For example, this is a hammock. These are some colorful pillows. But suppose you weren't here with me, and I wrote something like, that is a beautiful view. You'd likely want to know, what is a beautiful view? I would need to tell you more for you to see what I'm talking about. Watch what happens if I add just one more sentence. Have you ever looked at the sky through the branches of a tree? That is a beautiful view. Now you can see what I mean. Do you have questions about topics in grammar? Feel free to share them with us in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. That, meaning you're sharing them with us, would make us happy.